Планината е нашата връзка с природата. Нашата връзка с самите нас. Тя е нашият дом. Тук усещаме спокойствие. Въздухът е лек, а цветовете истински. Само тук можем да видим чистотата във всяка капка сутрешна роса. Защото тук всичко е свързано и живее в хармония, която лесно може да бъде нарушена. И всяко замърсяване се отразява на равновесието и чистотата в природата. Често замърсяването на почвата и водите се причинява от неправилното използване на пестициди в селскостопанския сектор. Пчелите могат да бъдат най-ранен източник на информация, от която да разберем дали природата е чиста.
In general, the pollutant can affect the bees, for sure, but the other part of the ecosystems, not only the bees, the waters or the human health.
През 2019 година Девин започва съвместна работа със световната организация Biodiversity, която проследява качеството на околната среда край извора на Девин чрез пчелен прашец.
My name is Cunningham. I'm a scientist and I worked during many years on honeybee colony losses, and I was advisor of the vice rector in university, but I'm also social entrepreneur and the founder of Biodiversity. We founded Biodiversity 10 years ago, just this year. Then it's quite amazing for us because now we are working in 17 countries and with many stakeholders. Biodiversity is social enterprise, and the aim of biodiversity is to improve the biodiversity, to preserve the biodiversity, and to reduce the pollution. To do that, we need an assessment. We need to measure the quality of the environment.
Пчелите не могат да се разглеждат като единица. Те са суперорганизъм, важен за опрашването и за биоразнообразието в природата.
In one honeybee colonies, you have 5,000 bees. They will collect more than 4 billion of samples in an area with a radius of 1.5 kilometers in only 1 year. They are coming back only in one hive, and we develop a device to collect all of the samples. The pollen can capture pollutants into the environment because we are analyzing the pollen. They can capture the pollutants, but they contain also the DNA of each plant into the environment. When the bees are coming back into the hives, we have the samples we can analyze in our labs, and I can tell you with the genetic analysis what kind of plant you have in your environment.
Тук събира полета препорец. Ето препорец.
If the pollen is pure, that means that you don't have pesticides, on the surface. If you don't have pesticides or pollutants on the surface, that will not migrate into the soil and into the water. Then if the pollen is pure, the surface is pure, that means the water will be pure. I can say that we are working in 17 countries and that here the level of pollutant is very low. It's one of the best places that we have in all our projects. For me, it's very important.
What does that mean in terms of numbers?
I can say zero. Zero. When it's pure, it's zero.
Biodiversity изследват пчелния прашец 4 пъти в годината, от който разбираме, че няма замърсяване в района. През 2022 година Девин Изворна и региона около извора беше отличен отново с златен медал за чистота.
We are looking for more than 500 different kind of pesticides, not authorized but also authorized, because it's very important to work on those. We are looking for heavy metals, from industrial pollutants, for example, and also on genetic analysis for the biodiversity. I can say most of the time here in the territory, in the area of Devin, most of the time the quality of the environment is pure. And it's very important because I know that they are producer of water. And I can tell you that when you don't have the pollution in the area, when also the biodiversity is good, it's very good to have a pure water.
100% чиста изворна вода, потвърдено от пчелите.